So the last time that I made chin chin, I was told that I was too fast. So this time around, I'm going to slow it down for everybody to learn. So come along with me as I'll be making two pastry, which is buns and chin chin. I can't believe I'm teaching you guys this thing and you guys are learning from me. Clack it! So let's begin. I'll be using 3 cups of flour, and when measuring your flour, don't add jara. Let it be just flat and equal. Just the way I did mine. The next thing you're going to add is your powder milk. I actually used 1 sachet of powder milk. Next is half cup of sugar. I added 1/8 tablespoon of salt. And next, half tablespoon of baking powder. And lastly, turmeric. I didn't measure it. You just have to put a little of it. And then you stir it very well. If possible, you can make use of your hand. So the next thing you're going to add is your margarine. Just put a little quantity of it. If you add excess, the chin chin is going to scatter while frying it. And then you use your hand to mash it. Press it, let it look like breadcrumbs. You then set it aside. And now I'm going to use 1 powder of sachet milk. Add a little water and stir it. Since I don't have a liquid milk, this is what I will be using. Next, you're going to crack 1 egg, not more than 1 egg, and whisk it very well. And then you bring your dough, divide your dough into different parts, and then pour your mixed egg on it. While I was doing this, I supposed to add vanilla flavor to it, but I forgot. I just have to pour it that way and mix it very well. Remember I told you guys I'll be making 2 pastries, which is buns and chin chin. It's actually the same ingredients and procedure. It's just that one is going to be very soft and the other one is going to be hard. Now I think where I made a mistake was doing the pastries simultaneously, because after kneading, I divided it and kept one for chin chin while the other one was for buns. And this one meant for buns was very hard and I needed it to be soft. I had to start a new work, start adding water, adding flour. I overturned the dough. Anyways, I set the oil on low heat, added oil on my pan to enable me press the dough this way without it sticking. So I continue with the procedure, and mind you, this is actually the first time that I'm making buns. It was frying and forming, and the next thing, the shape was different. It was like a shape of akara. In short, it looked like akara. It wasn't giving that buns vibe. It was not cracky. It was just like that. When I tested it, I really don't know the reaction to give to it. But anyways, we have one more last dough to make, which is chin chin. I placed the dough on the table, use a bottle to flatten it, and use a knife to give it a shape. After that, I set my oil to medium heat and then start frying my chin chin. While it was frying, I went to check the buns again to test it to know how it was actually tasting. I can't tell. All I know that it was sweet, but it was not tasting like buns. As for my chin chin, it came out perfectly as usual. Very delicious, very sumptuous, very tantalizing. So these are the works of my hands, the chin chin and the buns. I gave some to my sibling and the rest I ate the remaining one. That was all for this vlog. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, follow. Bye bye.